Hi you guys, I'm back with another video, and this video is on how to get your beauty blender from this to this. So if you'd like to see more of my videos, then go ahead and press that bell. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and let's get into the video. So you're gonna take a bar of soap, it doesn't matter what kind, preferably the sensitive kind if you can find that. I don't know what kind of skin y'all have, but the Zest one was fine for me. You're gonna also take your beauty blender that's full of dirt, foundation, everything. Beauty blenders are dirty in general, so you guys should be cleaning this like every week or so, you know what I mean? Because you don't want to get any breakouts and stuff like that. Like, we just trying to prevent that all 2019, you heard me. So now you're gonna take your beauty blender and run it under the water, and you're just gonna rub back and forth on your bar of soap. And then as you can see, all the dirt and everything else is coming out of it, and you're gonna squeeze it to try to get everything out, and you're just gonna do that until the water runs clear. I'm gonna stop talking and let y'all watch so y'all can see what I'm doing, so y'all can know what I'm doing and do what I do, you know what I'm saying? Oh wait, quick reminder, if y'all ain't subscribed, y'all might as well go ahead and subscribe, because y'all got this far into the video. Go ahead and press that button that look just like this, and then y'all part of this family. Y'all gonna be updated on everything I do, you know what I'm saying?